Hi there, this is Liz, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing another Christmas or winter DIY with you. For this DIY, I will be using these, and I think they are called wine goblets. They were silver, but they were very tarnished, and I did wash them, and then I spray painted them silver. But I didn't like the silver look on them with the spray paint, so I decided to paint them off white. And then I'm taking a Charmed Aroma candle jar, and I have also painted the lid of the jar the same off-white as I did the goblet. And please forgive the blur that is on the left corner of my video. I think there was a ray of sunshine peeking through the window. At least that's my only explanation. I don't know why it's there sometimes and sometimes it's not. For this DIY, I will be using two small Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, and this little snowman will be the main focus of this DIY. Now these snowmen have little angel wings, so I call them my angel snowmen, and they came from Shoppers Drug Mart many years ago, so they are not new. And then the little people that I am using here for this DIY also are also very old. They came from my mom's Christmas village, and she has been gone for over 20 years, so they are old. But I don't think that the accessories for Christmas villages change very much over the years, so I'm sure that something similar to these would be available at Dollar Tree and also at Walmart. So here I am just placing these items in there, and then once I know where I want them, I just glue them down with hot glue. And as you can see, I am just gluing these ornaments into the candle jar lid. And because of the depth of the lid, and I want to raise the snowman up a little bit higher, I thought I would use a popsicle stick, but that didn't work quite right for me. It wasn't high enough. And so I'm using this brown paper and just gluing it together. It is a thick brown paper. It's not cardboard. I just stack a couple of pieces together, and then I glue my snowman up on top of that. So here I have some very fine foam. They are like very tiny foam beads. They came out of an ornament that I did not want. So I'm just going to tip this upside down, and then this DIY is complete. It is complete, at least for now. Now if I had some ribbon, I could probably jazz this up a little bit, but since going shopping for non-essentials is not recommended at this time, this will have to do for now. So here they are, completed. I like them. I think they look very nice. These are simple and easy to make. These are made with Charmed Aroma candle jars. I used to buy a lot of Charmed Aroma candles, and so I have a lot of them sitting around. And then a few sentimental items, then a couple of old wine goblets. Thanks for watching.